Hadin rakyat ka special intensive revision aja punriu ni ke jing pendung kerteng terpang ya yang tebut hak jela uchip electoral officer ke jela Dr. BDR Tiwari la pentip belasam ya ke enumeration form hadu silak kat kena haja sispa ap kundai teli hadu menta ke jela meglaya ke don aflai lak saup kena haja dospa saup sangut kinung tebut UCU ong ba way pa way boot level officer ni BLO unpech kembah dus pa anu arngut kinong tebut bat ka jinglek rung syagi kliuyeng ban sam ya ka enumeration form kan kut ha ka apnai tarik mentau naitung kidon lai haja san spa san puengut ki BLO ha ka jelam gaya ibayo ya ka jinghikai ban pentrekam ya ka SIR aja punri UCU la pentip lu ba om don kam setia ban penbiang kinu kikot jing pensisya hak por ba pendap ya ke enumeration form lada ka yeng ke kang u bil u unbu ni tengkap ya ka form habar bat unsa lek pej hadin hadu laisin ban lum biang ya ka hinong tebut ga ro ban pendap bat pha ka form lembaga ECI net mobile application lani lembaga voter services portal hapo jong ka enumeration phase Shushu usiu laong balada ka kerteng jong nong tebut kam don ha ka electoral rule aja san ndai ka kerteng jong mi ki pa ni ki men ki don unong tebut ula ban pendon kam ya ki te ki jingtip ha ka enumeration form
more than one place in the India. So anybody whoever is filling enumeration form, they are giving the declaration ki I am filling this one and I am voter in this part only. So it is an offense if person willingly giving this one in the more than one place, and they may be liable to get the punishment under the relevant.
Is it correct that if your name does not appear?
No, it will. After 2005, there are more than around 10 lakh voters increased. So their name is not there in the 2005 voter list. So they can give at least then lineage and their name of their parents or grandparents might be there in the voter list. So that will help.
So
Whoever are our voters, and they will be given the enumeration form, and as I already told, no one can be voter in more than one place. So it is anybody willingly becoming voter more than keeping more than one epic card in the different places. So the dual voter system through the SIR process, they are not submitting the enumeration form. We have come across in the different states because they can submit in one place. So person can submit their enumeration form in one place, and where they want to remain as is allotted to them. So that is the first criteria we have chosen. And if they are not voters, so they should posted in that particular area, so that should be their serving area, so they should be familiar of that terrain, locality and people. So that is one thing. And as well as there are the BLAs from the political parties, and a good number of BLAs recently the political parties, I would like to appreciate, they come forward and initiated this process to appoint BLAs in state of Meghalaya also. Earlier they have not appointed BLAs so far due to several reasons. So now we are getting all cooperation from the political parties. We have the meeting at the different level, and regular we are in touch with them. So any issue, any complaint come to and come across at any level, we will be there with all our team of BLO to the DO and CO office also to facilitate. So field functionaries like the BLO supervisors, ERO, AEROs, they are on the task. So they are looking after this entire process, and they will address any issue which will arise. So we are concerned, we have not come across any such complaint. And we have extended all the BLOs are properly trained. We did proper publicity through different social media platform, advertisements, and even booth level programs also being happening. And BLOs are very, and they are supported with the BLO supervisors are there, AEROs, EROs are there, district machineries are there. So if there is any complaint, people may access, there is 1950, this toll free number, and they may any complaint they may, if any problem happen, any issue is happen, they may approach to BLO as well as to the other senior official, either supervisor, to AEROs, ERO, DEOs, even including the CEO officers are also. We are here to ensure this process to be conducted hassle free in very smooth way without having any problem, and to ensure the mandate of Honorable Election Commission of India to make our electoral roll accurate, complete and up to date. So we told whose name is not there might be their parents or grandparents' name we found in the electoral roll of the 2005. So because somebody might become eligible voter, attain 18 years of age in 2010, so who that person's name will not be in the 2005 electoral roll, and then they can give the legacy through that their parents and relatives name will be given, so the column is there and they may fill that link.